Hey guys, it's Sue. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Well, I think it's safe to say we are ready to say goodbye to 2020 and welcome in the new year. God willing, it will be a much better year. Today I'm making Mexican street corn. This is the perfect dish. It's festive, it's colorful, it's full of flavor, and it's so easy to make. This is in no way authentic Mexican street corn. It's my version and we love it, and I hope you're gonna love it too. It's simple, it's good. You're gonna wanna make this. Check it out.